Super Over featuring Deepak Chahar and Raj Angad Bawa. But hold up, there's a twist. We've told the players to play with their non-dominant hand.
One ball, one gun. Deepak Chahar bowling. Alright, and camera getting wiped out by that ball. Done. Two balls done. Good relation with strike. Deepak to Raj. Straight to the gate. Oh, it's a quick single. It's a quick single. Oh, almost gone. It's a quick, cheeky single from what we can see. Umpire, last ball remaining. आखिरी गेंद. Switch hit करके छक्का. Super over की super ending. Deepak Chahar wins this encounter.